things we don't tell our black sons. Number one, what is a lady? Number two, what is a bitch? Number three, what is a hoe? Number four, what is a prostitute? I think these type of things that we should tell our young man because they need to be aware. They need to be able to know how to spot them when they see them. They be to say, okay, I know what I'm dealing with when I'm dealing with it, because we tend to face things and we tend to face people in different shades, and we know that wolf wears sheep clothing. So I think we should explain it to him. And I'm gonna explain this as simple as I can real quick, and I'm gonna start from the top. Calling a woman or hearing a woman being called a bitch can just mean she's a nagger or a complainer, or maybe just evil when it comes to certain things affirmed, because the word comes from a female dog. Now, you have hearing a woman or calling a woman a hoe. That can just mean this lady love to sleep around with it. Her friends, your friends, my friends. She just like to have a lot of friends. You know what I'm saying? She just a hoe. She just like to sleep around. Now you got prostitute. What is a prostitute? A prostitute is a female that actually sells her body for sex. So if a man wants sex, she will sell it to you. She will sell you her body for a price. She got a specific price to do this, a specific price to do that, and the list can goes on and on. And you can always tell because most of the time they'll get straight to the point. You know what I mean? And you can be able to be specific when you see some, when they call them night crawlers. Those that be on the street being able to expose a lot of skin. Now you have a lady. Now a lady is someone who carries herself very well in public. If you see a lady is going to be very, very respectful to herself and to others. And if she got a man, she's going to honor him in public, in and out of his presence. And if she got an issue with this man, they are going to address that at home behind closed doors, because she's a lady. And whatever she tends to do for her man is behind closed doors. Everybody don't know because she's a lady. So if you got a woman and everybody knows her business, then she might not be a lady. So those are some things that I feel like we're not telling our sons when we're sending them out into the world. They're just going out here and they pick it, and then later they find out. So there's a few things you can actually see before you get deep into it. Hog on.